Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So now that we're done with creating our system, so in order to start using the system, we actually have to create the admin account. In my case, I have already created it, but now we're going to create a function that we want to call just one time to create our admin account. So we want to create this function in the utils class. So you got to go ahead to the utils class that we've created before. And we want to just create a function that's going to be public static void. We'll just name it create admin. So we're going to access our database. So we'll be using system.data.sql client. And actually this function is going to take string password, which is the password that we want to set for the admin. So we're going to create an SQL connection. SQL connection con is equal to new SQL connection. And the connection string is in properties dot resources dot connection string. And SQL command is equal to con dot create command. Then command.command text is going to be equal to insert into user between square brackets. And what we want to insert? We want to insert actually the user underscore username and user underscore password values at username and at password. Then command.parameters.add with value at username, which is going to be admin, and command.parameters.add with value at password, which is actually going to be the hashed version of our password. So we're going to call the hash password function, and we're going to give it the password, which is actually password. Okay, then we want to open our connection, so con.open, and then close it, so con.close. And then in a try-catch block, command.execute non-query, right? And we want to catch any exception, and that's it. Another thing that we should do actually is making the username field unique in our database. So we're going to open up our SQL server and connect to our server. Then in our database, in my case CMS, in the tables, we want to just right click on our user table, go to the design view. So right click anywhere here and go to indexes/keys, and we want to add a new key here. And in the columns, we're going to choose our column, which is actually user underscore username. Click OK. And then in is unique, we are going to click yes, right? And then close this and save our table. Yep. And we should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this function create admin. So actually if the admin already exists, then it's going to throw an exception and it will not create the admin. If it does not exist, then it will create the admin account for you. And that's it guys for this tutorial, and see you in the next one.